Hey everyone, this is Will from Junkwrens, and we are coming back to you. It's been a long time, it's been too long, and one of the reasons for which it's been a long time is one of the folks that really helped to spearhead the channel here, who wanted to get me into making videos, was my mom. And she had stage 4 breast cancer, and her numbers were good and everything, but things just caught up with her, and along with other health problems, and she passed away. She passed away on June the 6th. And I've been trying to get back into doing some videos. Some other things have happened. My dad got sick and stuff like that. But haven't been lazy by any stretch of the imagination. I've been coming up with ideas for videos. We have several ideas on things that we want to shoot. I have a few product reviews that I want to do, and one of which I'm going to do on this video. This thing right here that I'm going to show y'all. Let's see, what else is there? But, oh yes, I'm thinking about trying to start up a little series, My Small Town Life, or something like that. Within the channel itself, because I live in a small town, and the series on that will be about the pros and cons of living in a small town. And I have an idea for a video I'm going to do on that, and well, more about, y'all see more about that when we do the video on that. But I'm going to go ahead and get into this video on this product review. This is a thing I got off of Amazon, and I will find that very, very, very quick. Let me go to Amazon on my phone here. It's an EDC pouch. And there's several different options if you look on EDC pouches. There is a whole lot of different ones. I was hoping to find the one that I got, but oh well. If you just go to Amazon, look them up, you can. But I like this one. I like this one a whole lot. Keep it on my belt here. But I can easily get it off my belt here. I like this one. I like it a whole lot. This little deal right here has a lot of, it's been very, very helpful to me. I put it through the ringer past couple of months. I like that it has a pouch up front that I can put my cell phone in, and it clips, and so it's easy to get to and stuff like that. You can tighten it down, and it'll fit just about any cell phone that's like a flat phone. But on my cell phone, it'll hold 2 pins right here. The pin pocket is big enough to hold 2 pins. It has a carabiner up here that you can do different things with that, I guess. The Molle pouches, Molle straps rather, on the back, where that you can attach it to a backpack, and they're snap Molle pouches. You can attach it to a backpack, a fanny pack, or butt pack, as some folks would call it. I just use it as a belt strap to put it on my belt, and the straps on it feel very, very secure. I'll put a link to the product in the description box below. It has a pouch in the back, and in the back pouch it has a little thing for keys, but I never keep any keys on it because that tends to eat up a lot of room. In the back pouch I keep a notepad and a portable charger that I got from Fred's before Fred's closed down around here. And then there's a middle pouch, and in the middle pouch I keep a headlamp, and this headlamp has a strobe function. I will avoid doing that, so folks that have seizures might not have them. That's my phone going off. Let me take my phone out. I don't have to take my phone out to get to the stuff. I just taking it out because it's going off there a little bit, little alert. I keep a phone charging cable, and I keep the charging cable for the headlamp. So basically, with that little charger, it has 2 charging ports on it. What I can do is I can charge my phone and my headlamp in case that the batteries start to go dim on them and I'm not anywhere near like a wall charger or something like that. I can just stuff this down up in here, but I actually keep it very organized on that. I can actually hold a lot there. That is my EDC on this, everyday carry. It's a good little pouch, and like I said, I'll put the product description below. It cost me probably about anywhere from $6 to $9, not 69, $6 to $9. Like I said, I put it through the test. It's coming in very, very, very handy. And getting my allergies are acting up. It's just that time of year. But everyday pouch carry, very, very rugged. It has saved my rear end a time or two. But we are sad about the passing of my mom. She has gone on to her reward. She's not hurting or suffering anymore, anything like that. And I was really helping to take care of her a whole lot, and that now that she has passed, don't get me wrong, I'd give anything to get her back, but now that she's passed, my time has freed up to where I can get back into making some videos. So anyway, let me just put this on my table behind me here. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like if you have a product like this, you can tell us about it in the description, in the comment box below. And if you notice better quality on the film, I was actually able to upgrade my camera within the time span from we really kind of had to stop making the videos, take care of my mom, on up till now. So anyway, hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I've got to quick note, I've got to find and make another intro. I've got to find some music where I can use it and make another intro, because the old one is on the computer that died several years ago, and well, here we are going to be getting back into making these videos. So I've got to do that. There's no intro on this video for that reason, but as we get back to the swing of things, it'll get back to going like it should. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoy this video, and we will catch y'all later.